Activision Blizzard's age discrimination lawsuit. In a bombshell lawsuit against gaming giant Activision Blizzard, a former executive accuses the company of age discrimination targeting old white guys. The lawsuit claims outgoing CEO Bobby Kotick made derogatory remarks about the company having too many old white guys, leading to the departure of 2 executives. The plaintiff, overlooked for promotion in favor of a younger candidate, alleges the company failed to protect him from discrimination. The suit seeks damages for lost earnings, career setbacks, emotional distress, and legal costs. This adds to Activision Blizzard's woes amid previous scandals, including allegations of sexual harassment and gender discrimination. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Daily Game Crunch. Thanks for watching.